I think that we have to sort of understand that myth behind private equity. So you didn't come in here with what many think is the aggressive cost-cutting slash and burn mentality, did you?
No, not even close. Number one, that's never, ever the right strategy, in my opinion. Did we have to reset the cost basis in some areas? Absolutely, yes. You can't have an inflated cost basis to your peers. Did we have to make some tough calls? Of course, the answer is yes. But the strategy here was, like I said, the good old-fashioned way. You come in, the culture that I and we inherited was a very, very top-down command and control, very toxic culture. And so we had to change that culture quickly. And I knew that right out of the gate. And what forms a culture? Leaders. Leaders' behavior forms the culture of the company. So I knew I was going to have to make a lot of changes right out of the gate in terms of leadership if we were going to get the culture right and ultimately then the performance that we needed right. So I will tell you, it was not easy, but it was by far a slash and burn. This was a very, very purposeful, thought out strategy to bring in world-class leaders, create a world-class culture, invest hundreds of millions, if not millions of dollars into the organization, into the manufacturing of the organization, and really make this company stronger and better. And that's what the team did.